In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Instagram feed in Canva. We're building a seamless 9-square puzzle style feed that looks cohesive in your profile grid. I'll walk you through setting up the exact canvas size, turning on guides so everything aligns perfectly, placing your photos and text so they flow across tiles, and wrapping up with a quick note on scheduling inside Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design with a custom size. Set the width to 3240 pixels and the height to 3240 pixels. That's simply 1080 by 1080 multiplied across 3 columns and 3 rows, which matches Instagram's square format. If you prefer a taller portrait look for the same 9 grid layout, use 3240 by 4050 pixels. This gives you more vertical real estate while keeping the 3 by 3 structure intact. Next, let's turn on the visual helpers that make alignment effortless. Go to File, then View Settings, and choose Show Rulers and Guides. With those visible, click Add Guides, select Custom, and set columns to 3 and rows to 3. Make sure the gap is set to 0. This creates a clean, even grid with no spacing between tiles, so each square represents a single Instagram post, and everything lines up exactly at 1080 pixel intervals. Now it's time to design across the entire canvas. Place your background, photos, graphics, and text so they span multiple squares to create that puzzle effect. A large image that stretches over 2 or 3 tiles looks especially striking in the profile grid. As you position elements, let them cross the guidelines intentionally. That's what makes the feed feel connected. Keep key subjects, faces, and important text away from the very edges of each square so they don't get awkwardly split. If you are adding typography, consider placing headlines so they start in one tile and finish in the next only if the break feels deliberate and readable. Use high contrast colors and simple shapes to keep continuity clear as someone swipes from one post to the next. Rulers and guides will help things snap into place. So zoom in to fine-tune overlaps and alignments. When your design is ready, you can schedule your posts directly through Canva's Content Planner. This feature requires an Instagram business account that's linked to a Facebook page. Using the planner helps you maintain the correct posting order so the grid builds exactly the way you designed it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.